ijabune governor na inche ijabune senator. You see, akara tu alo kwale egento kelito kwa nanga abega nko babaleri instead na kiregento. What we found out twanyolete nga no nyemba liota geto koiranie gasi through a public service board ye a county. I mean ye county executive, not ye county assembly, my body very chile. Again, to when to go koruan kelinga, you go through the law. So when I control you guiding a kibako gas. Number two, a priority as Simba Arengo nailing first of all, Manyava and Tovali Kirobon space health sector. Kore Kurende Kunyare Kanegin take about biometric registration. Yani Oira, Amagoko, which are of your monto, or Vitumia Courageous and Yokumanyanga actually monto nere. Kera sometimes I want to wonder woman Rama Sakaronyo or Tariere. Once work quality vote accounting Yava and Tava was common in then you now even have positions in the Yava and Tava, which were colleagues. Kiagara, Governor Taragete, and we discussed it. Now, the conclusion to a rich in yes, Abana Kuran Ubale Segas, yes, Matagera Vans of colleagues, but you see, two was a coherent haphazardly. Yani by a woman Rubenga in Chigasi, around Vaiche, on your Chigas, Chibade, suppose Kokora, and Van
already, they were just to be reinstated.
No, what I'm saying, the law doesn't say that. Lichi kondita getting a public service board, nere kokada that arrangement, erangeria baria, erolenga yeko papeka, china sinchiro my conviction and belief neringa abana bantu balibons biba butwe kobanases because imba chite strike. I believe was because that is the right thing to do. A position yane neringa abana bantu ba victimized because ba what legitimate concern about bunya Italia recogendera. So it would be an injustice for Governor Simba Arati. But I also hope that in the near future, Governor Simba will come out. I explained the reason why Totara make a move and Totara's give integrity is because of 1, 2, 3. I believe it will be done, and I believe but when to much better than we ask once the public service board recommends that.
Okay. About Kashu?
Chikashu wachiria, it is actually a sad story. Abantu balia bagakolegas about umutinyi tirikonyora tutara ruchukura. I think it was around umutinyu okane gosono yogatano chibese chikarigigwa. It was about 15 million and chikaliye kunyakundi. So abanda bobwate bale casuals babera for 10 years. Somebody gatagete banze kuoga bande bagende kotini kyangu what we have said. Inche, this is my recommendation because na tell you to the Senate office. Ask the Public Service Board to make sure to call it an audit yawa and our speaker Public Service Board nemanyete bantuki barali chikajo ba draw for all these years bago kolega asira kini barenga ko abuse because it is against the law to kobe casual beyond mitinista. Immediately when a white and you mutinyu sawa, you are actually supposed to be permanent and pensionable. So that's what the law says. So inche, I'm going to make a recommendation which is a governor. That is now a gasiani of oversight. Ninche ngorikara governor liru emotenga, Your Excellency. You have cases chiare to watch a sinde gaiga esavanto batagete kokora kipata to go file a petition in the Senate. These people have been working as casual laborers under the county government. Can you please organize yourselves? Abantu were deployed, bakanwe abarataka kwenda retire bagende abagutigara ba very trained colleagues.
Okay.
Yes.
There's somebody ask Senator.
Yes.
Ask Senator whether he was satisfied with the leadership here, a county speaker, deputy speaker, yes, majority, nini, and the entire leadership. Are you satisfied? No, yes, we were nominated. We are contributing, but have formally appointed because the report is yet to be availed.
Yes.
Are you satisfied the nomination? You are going to have a CC, leadership here, speaker, deputy speaker, now generally assembly, you take oversight on the government?
Abantaba, number one, ngochole tuko CC, abantaba wachole tuni governor. The governor is the one who has the mandate. You go pick your and the minister. The senator, they go to say, by the way, it's only that in the very governor, Motevenga ki governor, Monyete, Brana, I want to Romo governor, Roche, department, Chao, Yakundi, Unamoroche, no monto, so Metavia, and no monto media. Talco, what in the minister. Also, we say, one of Minto, Moiverania. mtambo lina kimo ibera ningi arate nene na bonkuru iritagia ayende bema if you can manage lakini yakundi atakoa etiga asting kwa mana no I can't.
Why you consulted as a appointment?
No, the governor told he mentioned to me agandevinga ninta ketoko chole cabinet position ninta the cabinet yale and the truth is I told him it is okay, you proceed, pick number what I felt about one or two people, and I told him who I felt was going to be a good performer. And as far as I'm concerned, again, don't matter whether the positions which governor was supposed to give, I believe they are qualified and they will perform. Because after all, if those people fail, you see, this is the complexity. Senator, ne oversight role ya ne na governor ne basically a technocrat, expert who manage a county. Nda governor marieta berali kabantu. Omanya konyora banda na mo etembali konyara okragasi. Ngo governor blame.
Okay.
Inchara blame. So my position is very simple. Let him pick the team he wants to work with in his government. Inche ekerengo cha boja ngo oversight. Ndinda jo nacho kumboli nangi ngomuntu tata mwa katine kasi ni yao kwa toleterete kaiga katene rosinjwe kasi. Yeah.
Okay.
But generally, I don't want to be in a position I'm unhappy. I mean, the truth is, those people are 11. I mean, the total number of votes Simba Arati is close to 400,000 votes. So surely you can't take your 11 or get to me cover the litmus test. You get to me to be the reason why but what I have asked him, let him make sure as our governor abantu bonse people request county statutorily but supposed to be in the executive tika consult widely.
Okay.
Tikagenda bonchali ali abantabaya abanchali mbaro tikagenda bogitutu na baho kubodi nona nyakundi naki bonchali nindengerati kubeka nyakitabe gasi. What do you think? Yes.
Nyakundi asks Senator why is defending the governor too much, sounding like a gun for hire.
What defending was Simba? Nkingo defended Simba. Simba is now a governor. Nkingo mo defend.
No, whatever he's doing, you seem to be justify.
Tinda justify. Kende kata Simba irobo governor nero he's trying to organize himself. Warolenga kiako kambira watu. Nkinande ngwenda to justify. Yani oyo komboli liswali yoli gata etako kanganga bona eganche ngo titura Simba nate wasimba no mube kati na bazandi baye bintebyo ko kambuzuko tigo omwana oli okoru Simba Arati agambe make his mistakes, he will be corrected by the public. That is how you build leaders. You don't go around when you make you all over the place. Simbo ndiregasi, Simba tali ko koraiga, Simbo maite no ambo etini ko ndaragera. Forget about those things. Kae Simba Nyakundi tikatoe Simba liba kabune governor ya Kisi arani county the way he knows best how. We will advise him. Oko listen to what we are telling him. Oko ranko mokonya kere ke mokonye. Oko rangeli ko mokonya. Ega asiane tadi obo governor. Ega asiane no ko oversight Simba. I will tell him una whatever jo kolego okanga koiwa. These are the problems you have created for yourself.
Okay.
Yes.
When I interviewed you here last, you said if Simba doesn't perform, you run against him in 2027.
My position is, if Simba doesn't perform, and I realize a problem where Oronelinga he's not able to perform because Tabuati capacity, I don't believe in a Simba Tabuati capacity. He has the capacity. He is getting to understand the job. Number two, I am not intending to sit here so that next. I'm not even interested in running as governor. Can we first do the job we have been given? Togo ika 2027, let us do an audit on what we have done. If Simba has performed above average, he should continue. Because I'm in the same team with him. Toko nyora tata etiko ko perform. Osebu angiro ko perform. Togo yumo ndonali yo governor. Kwani I must be a governor for people to think I'm a leader.
You campaign with a team.
Yes.
As a team, you're still talking like you are a team. And you are working together. If mistakes happen as a serikali,
yes.
Are you ready to own up?
Yes, I will.
Whatever we are all responsible.
I will say. I think Simba is going to do this and this and this and this. We'll stop corruption. We'll make sure projects are done. We'll make sure we'll make sure we'll make sure there's fairness and equity. But you see the way it is, I have now worked with him. Now he doesn't have the capacity to do what what we expected him. So I take responsibility for having worked with him, but you see now we have to move on. Life, you move on. What if you find that the candidate was not going to have the capacity which you expected? The point I have made, I believe that Simba has the capacity to deliver for Omugusi. Let people be patient. At least the moeno in 6 months. After 2 months, moya gokura all over the place. Oh, yeah. I think a leader must be allowed to make his mistakes. That is how he can correct himself. If you don't allow a leader to make mistakes and you protect him, the day he makes those mistakes, you cannot correct him.
Nkwani mumwema na muboriga meroborikia wata unasina politician kurugusiye kumugusiamo bila kurigereria chama yani tukwane eliogeri muguno mugusi kuranira getarigeto ase tuwena tako.
Fantastic question. Mheshimiwa Sorora ngakrete simi Mheshimiwa Jafet Mheshimiwa etimu yaba abagusiaba mwachora the younger generation and the leadership mubwate it's a very good team. Abagusiba answer gokwana. Because people have realized they're vulnerable. And this was vulnerability either because miscalculation. Because I remember in the last elections, Matiang'i really tried to persuade us in Inche. Kunandoja wana waminto. Mwana kuli inchera. Tonyole echama yeito iga. Tonyole echama yeite erachi koko tokonya to negotiate with mutua. Only you know what is happening. Many people, including Jubilee, bono bako negotiate with echama in the coalition. Jubilee balete the two candidates batakete baende yala.
Yeah.
Are you with me? ODM balete the team yabo. Kalonzo balete the team yae. Everybody is negotiating esanga bagaya bantu bakwenda yala. It means strategically goikabuna bagusi, and I think for me as a senior politician, which I really am humbled to accept that title, we now must sit down very deeply and engage ourselves to a key. What is it that we need to do to protect interests? Chumusi. Ekiagara politics is about protecting the interests. Yes. Now what we are going to be in the coalition yabonyagete. Now what decide to coalition ya Kalonzo Nyenero Karo or whoever was to we are going to work na UDA. But what we have asked UDA is this and this and this and this. Right. That is what everybody want in Kenya agakora kigara siasa yeito ya bere siasa yeke nyumba. That is why it is so important wono egoli lino nyebintu bitu bigendere to see. That is why I keep begging my brother Simba and I keep persuading him na other leaders, make sure you are going to be fair. Pagebi into fairly and equitably esechi nyumba chionsi. To basikolige limino, to basikolige abairi ba mino, okagenga na wacha go defend. Abantu bali skambaro abandi batali abairi, they'll work for you better, they'll deliver better than kubeka abairi baho. But that doesn't mean no discriminate against abairi. But make sure that there is fairness so that onyolenga unoroche siasa yekunya wepanga ya Kenya. Goikere stages abantu tuchi wepanga konyoranga ikamubwate party ino moko negotiate ne I mean digere bono what inki yo ndakora king kuru cost katega leta kantu kalika yakoro kapa bono ne speaker ye senate, all right, oyo onde Aisha Juma obere CA obere minister. And yet aba MP mbalenga pa yabwate. So let us rethink, we must rethink our position right now.
Finally, Senator, mnara kuna kundi wa kilo vya police involved the senator into nabagirango wa promised county secretary. What happened?
It's coming. It's there.
Generally,
yes, Governor,
the promises you made.
Yes.
The regional balance, the distribution of county positions.
Yes.
Is still intact.
It's still intact. South Mugirango, I think Governor Wanabwa, the two candidates Nabuako short list. I believe he'll pick a good person called Mugirango. Mugirango will be the county secretary, the way Speaker Aba is Speaker Kurubu Machoge. He will own up and he will deliver on his promise.
Okay.
Yeah.
Finally, I'll give you 1 minute to speak your final words.
Biamono abana minto iberania biamono soko baga is studio baba. My sister, Biamono Sana soko banya kundio minto. Biamono, this is the first time I ran studio after 6 months.
As a senator.
As a senator, God has been wonderful with Jesinde. I am very happy that we won Chukulechi. Otuta yetoko na raba usiegas. na maskani and to make sure nga ebintu biri omugusi ya expected bikorunya kundi ominto inche eso omugusi igona algo tebanya kundi ominto nga ndire mali gago ikaru maiso omugusi igatobogoria agatwakire chukura paka mali gakarwa maiso esa maskani inchege ndonta katotebya abantu baminto bagusineke ntwesike utataite gwesuka tubakorere gasi na inumorera ngaki timu yetu aete gasi akorere gasi ko make sure nga bachinjira ibintu bya gusi ntutagite siasa eri konyago bayichi promise kende gitayo. I believe omwana witu Simba is prepared. A few challenges here and there no maete nyakundi ominto gange no taka nonye ke usigere mwana no taka kuita chingiti cyose kuro bironga to go itokore so se gitaka yonga Zimbabwe kubuta abantu bongwaye bonsi pi abasele ku ruobisi ngari ye timu te ya abanda abonze nabagusi. What I've been encouraging my governor, and I respect him a lot, you know. You want to get and then I romonto ga ngoma ite ngamuimale se pocket ya Simba ta ko mbeke pocket ime no monto manene yakundi monto manene na no buya injo manyiti I don't worship money. Money is a conduit ya gonkonya na kana chirent cyane na bekero lya mabuta na kana jinderaba lakini monto ta ko ngabeza ndebi ngakira ngabona maite Simba no monto tuskaine asigete donya na asigete mwishwa munda slowly baanzire ko understand how government yako kolegasi tigaba gusiba be bit patient ngora mumuro yabu atamaiga achobe ngora ansikoro sibintu bya chibese chichiche na inche kuruwe senate ngopanga tole utolaite go encourage from the senate tolete muswati olimisi nyarango tomote bina ki can you look for a way mongina konya ba MCA banyore chibese cyabo chi ward fund chibese chigande se mashinani kabisa maharia chianse ko konya abantu eyenere message y'abantu batagite chi press conference chi okwana abantu nyegete no mube nyegete no muya tigatwa gachinya gitari amacha achigusi etauni erie etagatagirie raria gavana nyore solution and I believe is working on it. Investors imbaro bago donor funds inchiroro inje ngo chiko oversight chibese chidona egazie
na deputy governor yakisi
no but that is what the mandate of the senator is yakundi genorole what the mandate of the senator is a supreme court ya deva inje ngo oversight chibese cha donors inje ngo oversight on revenue chibese chichiro inje ngo chawocha na tara na check chibese ngo chikusangererwa chibese chikusangererwa chinyagitari. I will walk and find out how much money enyagitari yabo songe karosia ne chinyagitari chini chia usiyengima. I will go to schools and check out chibese chi education chi basari chibese nga chi aruruwe basari this financial year. I will be running through the budget to know chibese nga chibekere se budget chiko kore bintu gete in certain areas, and I'll be going and holding public hearings kuboria bananchi bante be what they think, whether we are moving in the right direction or say direction yembe yakundi baba mwana ominto ndakora iko nandi nombolia muswali
secretary cha Onyonka mbiyamona so sanga mnyita sema
mbiyamono mongina tresia mbiyale na ruali takego mama na okwandiri na yakundi okwandiri mongina getena agendo chikulikia maseko ko terali nyumba ngo terali nyumba tara kwandi mu.
Yes sir.
Thank you my brother.